Hello all, welcome back to Chill with Sabby. I hope you all well. Don't forget there is a giveaway on the channel, so don't miss it. Today the video is about custom 68 Camaro. Do you know the Chevrolet Camaro was born in 1968 and it has become an American muscle icon. But this isn't your typical Camaro. It's a beastly modification inspired by the hill climbing race cars. Before we dwell into detail, let's unbox it. It was first released in 2023 as a part of Hot Wheels Slam series, as it features a matte navy blue color with a yellow stripe and has a skull decals. Next, they released this year 2024 as a part of Hot Wheels Modified, comes in red and white. Today we are going to talk about the red. It comes with the black stripe, number 68 displayed on the sides and on top, and comes with the sponsored stickers. And it has Hot Wheels flame on the rear. All over, the casting looks really cool. As it was born in 1968, this Camaro has a rich heritage, but JCG Restoration and Custom took it to a whole new level. If you're looking for more information, you can check the description below. My impression for this Custom 68 Camaro, it may be a basic model, but it exudes a premium feel. The attention to the detail and the chrome interior truly stands out. I'm particularly impressed with the detailing throughout the car. What are your thoughts on this Custom 68 Camaro? Is it as impressive to you as it is to me? Leave a comment below. That's it for today's video. Remember to like and subscribe for more. Are you already a part of the Chill with Sabby community? Thanks for your support. Don't forget to watch my other videos and share them with friends. Let's expand the Chill with Sabby community together. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.